Hi everyone, it's me Fatima Misra. Please call me Mountain, and we also have my brother Amir Hamza. Today we'll make origamis. This is a bird, but not as like planes like we make. This is not a plane. This can't fly, but it's a normal bird that just for beautiful. So today we'll teach you how to make it. It's not that hard. But if you learn, it will be too easy to make. So first we'll make a square. First we'll do like this. The corner, please look. The corner to this. Why didn't you start, Amir Hamza? Started. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Actually, this is a challenge. Who makes better? So make it like this, triangle shape. Then we'll do this, like put this corner. What are you doing? Is it a square or something? Okay, never mind. So put this corner like this. Then we'll just like this. We're just gonna cut it. I'm not using scissors. It's just an ordinary piece. Well, my nail, we'll use our nail like this. Excuse me, what are you doing? Do your own. Then like this, then the other side. Like this. Then we'll cut this piece, like easy. Using nail is so easy, right? Then we'll not use this place. It's not useful. Then
we're gonna use it for make more.
But it's later. We're gonna teach them only by using only one. Got it? So we have a square. Then we'll make some like lines to make. So first is the lines that go through it like this. So we'll do the other side as well. And then we'll also do this. But we already have this one, so we'll make the same thing in the other this corner. And we'll do this. Now we have some lines to it. So next we'll try to make a square like this. Look, we'll make it like this, and this corner should come like this. See the corner section? What I say? The intersection. But never mind. This place, okay? This place has to be like this. And it's like, wait for me. Abstraction, like square type. Okay. Maybe I don't. But it's kind of like this. Look. And this corner will be a corner. So you can also like put this like this or this. Never mind. I'll just complete this. So then we'll make some like sizes. So first we'll do this part. Look, once you need this part, this side, not this side. I accidentally make this side always, but now I know which side we should choose. So we'll have to make it like this, and same side as this one. For a little helpful for the other side, so I'll make this corner line as well. Then good. We have some lines down here. This origami needs so many lines, but never mind. Useful is useful. So we'll also make this side as well. The other side we made. And this one. Good. And we're still working. So we all have both sides lined. So let's make this side. What do we need to do? Okay, let's just see. Then we have to open this side, like so. Like this. We'll make it like triangle shaped like this. Then the line we had, that makes something triangle as well. So we're just gonna make it like this. See this? We'll make through it. It kinda lets you see hardly, but it will teach you. Okay. So like this, see? This corner like this, see? Like, it was like a square. Now it's like half square. But now it's very using like it. Like it's half square. It's kinda nothing now.
This looks like a piece of square.
Yeah. But now we have the part which we need. So we'll do the same thing on the other side. Make it like this. Triangle. Then put it back. And put this inside. This pepper side. And then put...
I'm in the other side.
Yeah, the other side is the same. Anyway, well... What am I doing? It's like... Okay, never mind. It's all back. Now I'll do the same like this.
Wait for me.
What?
Wait for me.
We're in the same place, dummy. So then we have this. We'll put it like this, see? Then we have a small place. Then we have a place that makes the origamis like this. Look. If you put them like this to this, you can have a section. Got it? So we'll make the same thing to our origamis. Like this, and we'll put this part. So let's do it our own origamis. Like the other side, the same way. Then put this section like this. Now we have the tail. Now we'll make the head. Like same as the other side. Like this side, only this side. That makes a little time, but easy to make. Then we have this kind of tricky place that the wings are ready, but not the head yet. See this part just stayed like that? But that's okay. Then we'll make this one as well. Look.
Show and quickly.
Then we'll make it like this. Now we have the lip of our origami. Now we have the wing, that head, and the mouth, and the tail. Looks amazing, but hard to make. Now I understand, but easy to learn. So that's our origami. Maybe Embers didn't done yet, but please do it quickly.
I can do it quickly.
Okay, let me try.
No. I mean,
Okay. Why should I not?
No.
Is it a challenge?
I want to say is Amiramza is possible to make
The origami.
the origami.
Gamo.
Origami. Yes.
First time.
I think Amiramza is very close to complete.
Now
Alright.
I make the head. Show them, silly. Now last is the tail.
The tail.
Yes. At last Amiramza is also done.
Good. There's the...
Yes. At last Amiramza is also done.
Good. There's the... Should we fight?
Yeah.
No.
I have more friends.
No. Wait.
Oh, fine. It's very excellent.
I have more friends.
Show your birds. Yes. Take here. Excellent.
I'll do that.
This is Amir Hamza's bird and this is Yusra's bird. Wow.
Adita.
Fighting.
They are fighting. Amir Hamza, thank you to watch our videos.